Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. Now we are going to discuss about general topic and GK topic of why is the sky blue. So if you have find the reason for this, if suppose if you are doing 8th standard and 9th standard, then you probably know the answer for this, because I have read the my school teachers taught me about this topic while I was doing 8th or 9th standard. Now I'm just rewinding this topic because so that you can get some general knowledge information. That's the main motto of this. Actually, this channel covers only the software oriented videos, and sometimes it will also cover the GK oriented videos also. So the sunlight is a pure white light. So you can ask this question: if suppose the sunlight is white, then why I am seeing the sky as a blue color? The reason behind that is scattering. Because if you send a white light to a prism, you observe 7 different colors on the other side of the prism. Sorry. That 7 colors are VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Each color has its own wavelength. So red has its own wavelength. It has bigger wavelength, and blue has a smaller wavelength. So the red light has a bigger wavelength and blue has a smaller wavelength. Violet has a minimal wavelength. Sunlight travels from sun to the earth, so it crosses many layers like troposphere, atmosphere, like that. The main concept, a main hurdle for the sunlight is the atmosphere, because atmosphere layer has n number of gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, like that. Each gas has its molecule. It will try to act as a prism light. Now it scatters the pure white light into seven number of other lights, like red to violet lights. Because red has its bigger wavelength, it got stopped by the gas molecules. Blue, violet, indigo has minimal or smaller wavelength, so it gets scattered everywhere in the atmosphere. That's the reason that since the blue color has a minimal wavelength, it got scattered across the atmosphere. That's why we are seeing the sky as a blue color. You would ask me a question that why we are not seeing violet or indigo color. The violet has a minimal wavelength, but why we are not seeing the sky color as a indigo? The reason for that is our human eye is more sensitive to blue than indigo than violet. That's the reason why we are not seeing blue color. Why we are not seeing violet color? Instead, we are seeing blue color. There are some conditions for this. At sunrise and sunset, we are seeing red color. Sky looks like some orangish red. The reason for that is there are some other reasons for that. We will try to cover those reasons in the next video. So please try to subscribe my channel for watching software oriented videos and also GK videos at occasionally. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe my channel for watching further videos.